Nala, I got a surprise for you. Ember the Rainbow Dragon. Would you like her? Yes. Can you sit? Sit. Nala. What the heck? Come here. You want her? Go get her. Alright, guess you like her. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is so weird to be vlogging again. Hold on, let me get some better lighting going on in here. This is so weird to be vlogging again because the last time I vlogged was, well, I vlogged for the Stranger Things video, but that wasn't really like personal, you know what I mean? Like that was just like a specific video topic. So here I am, guys, and I have a lot to catch you up on. It has been a good couple of months. Hi, Nella. It's been a really good couple of months since we got back from the Bahamas. Has it been a couple of months? It's been like almost 1 month. That's crazy. It feels like it's been so much longer. But we've been very busy. Obviously, the Stranger Things video really took off, and I was really excited because that video was a lot of work, but it was so worth it. And we've just been working a lot, saving up some money. I got a dresser, which I'll show you guys in a second. I'm so excited because I haven't had a dresser since like January, so it was so nice to put away all my clothes. And I have been obsessed with the show Call the Midwife on Netflix. I started it like less than a week ago, and I'm already almost to season 4. So if you've never seen Call the Midwife, I highly suggest it. It's on Netflix. And it's just super good. It's like all true stories based off of a woman's autobiography. Hey, what are you eating? All based off of the autobiography of a midwife who lived in like an area of poverty in London in the 1950s, and it's just so good. I'm obsessed with it. I cry over it. I laugh at it. It's hilarious, but it's just my heart is with this show right now. So I've also been reading a lot. So I finished Fudge Cupcake Murder by Joanne Fluke, and I still want to keep reading the Hannah Swenson series, but I'm taking a break right now. I'd read a book called Meet Me in Venice by Elizabeth Adler. That was so good. I stayed up till 3 a.m. last week finishing it. It was just so good. And then right now I'm reading The Mermaid Chair by Susan Monkid, I want to say is her name. And that will be my last summer book, and then I'm going to start reading some fall and Halloween books, and then it's going to be Christmas, and I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. I'm getting emotional just thinking about Christmas because this whole week I've literally been ready because it's Christmas in July almost, and I've been like ready to go. I've been singing Christmas music. I've been wanting to watch Christmas movies, but I've been refraining myself. And today when I went to Goodwill, I bought a Christmas bowl, a Christmas princess book for my future children because I just could not resist it. And I also got a Christmas present for Nala, which was like a box of toys that were normally $5, but it was on sale for $2.50. So I had to have it. And yeah, so that's basically the majority of the stuff that's been happening. But today something really insane is happening. I'm getting rid of my movie collection, which is just crazy to me. I'm not really getting rid of it. I'm just getting rid of all the boxes. I'm putting all my discs into a big binder. And I am getting rid of all of the boxes. The VHSs I'm planning on keeping for now and kind of letting them wear out. So I'm going to watch them until they wear out, and then I'm going to be purchasing them on digital. So on Movies Anywhere is the platform that I will be buying them. And I'm honestly really excited, guys, because I have so many goals that involve not having stuff. So I'm really trying to live a more minimalistic lifestyle. I just like, if I want to travel and stuff a lot, I just don't want to have that baggage of all of these movies and stuff. And I'm also going to be getting rid of my books as well. Slowly but surely. Sorry, there's like something on my nose, which is why I keep itching it. I think it's like a piece of hair or dog hair. But anyway, I really like, I think I just don't want to like have so many books. I still want to treat myself every once in a while because I really like used books and I love going to bookstores so much, and I just love physical copies of books. But I had to sit down and have like a real talk with myself, and like one day, I've always dreamed of having a library in my house, and I don't really have that dream anymore. I'd rather have a room for my kids to use, and you know, it's just not necessary to have so much stuff. And if I have like digital copies of books and movies, I'll still have them all so I can use them and watch them and read them, but I won't have to have so much junk laying around the house. So that's basically what I wanted to show you guys today. Is I'm going to be organizing my movie collection. I'm about to film my movie collection video. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. I'm a little hesitant to put it up, but I feel like some people would really enjoy it because I would love to see somebody's movie collection. And if you guys do like it, I plan on doing a sock collection and a sweater collection as well, because I've got a lot of collections, guys, and my sock collection is by far my favorite. But anyway, let me show you kind of what I am doing today. So first off, here is my dresser that I got. It is a vintage dresser. I don't know the year on it for sure, but it has the keyholes, and the keyholes still have like the metal inside for them actually working as locks. So it's definitely super old. The third drawer is kind of a mess. It doesn't really open. And when you open the drawers up, you can tell that it really needs a new paint job on the inside, but it looks great on the outside, so that's totally fine. And I got it at a vintage store for $65. Let me show you how I decorated it. So this candle is called Sandalwood and Lily. I got it from Target. It was on sale for like $5 from $16, so I went for that. Then I have some books, Home by Julie Andrews, which I've read, Grimm's Fairy Tales. This is actually a vintage book as well, which Blake bought for me on our honeymoon last year. And then I have Walt Disney. It's an American original. That's what the book's called, by Bob Thomas. The Secret Life of Marilyn Monroe by J. Randy Taraborelli. And then Paris to the Moon by Dan Gopnik. These don't really have any meaning for being here, just that they all look really well together with the gold, the black, and the white. So that's why I have them here. And then I have my jewelry box, my necklaces, and all my Disney pins. And then this doesn't have anything in it. It used to carry my rings, but I got something new for that. And then this has like all my bobby pins in it. And I also got this at a vintage store years ago for like $2, I think. And it's so pretty. It's super old, but I really like it. So over here is basically one of the biggest things that's happening today. I have a bunch of books and Wii games and CDs in there that are probably going to get put where my movies are now. And then I want to put the DVD player and the PlayStation actually in here so they're not just sitting up there. So that's my plan right now. And then I have, so all of my movies are under here. So I'm going to be taking those all out and organizing them and then putting things into those tubs. And then I also have, to show you guys, so here's where all my VHSs are. I'm going to take those out for the video, and then they'll probably end up going in the same place. I haven't decided quite yet where I'm going to put them all. And I have a bunch of books, which will probably go into some of the places the DVDs are at right now. I have more books on the floor. Here's the organizer. I'm working on getting a shoe rack, so this looks a little bit more tidy. And then here's the main from the Lion King video. And then, yeah, this is the binder for the DVDs. I think it'll be plenty big. Has Nala hair all over it. Yes, Nala hair. Alrighty. It holds 400 DVDs. So I think that will be plenty, but I guess we're about to find out, aren't we? And then coming out here, so I just need to put away some stuff. Blake's brother was in town last weekend, so we have some like extra chairs and stuff that don't really belong here. Need to get put away. And then I have the rest of my movies, so all my Blu-rays are here. I have the rest of my DVDs here, PlayStation 2 games, PlayStation 4 games, and the rest of my movies. So I plan on putting some more books on these shelves as well to try to make some more room. And then in the next couple weeks, we are planning on getting some bookshelves to put the rest of my books on. So everything will be a lot more tidy. And I'm very excited for that because I just do not like disorganization. So that's basically what's happening, and I hope that you guys enjoy following me along as we tidy up. So this is the aftermath of the video that I just filmed. I have all my videos plus all the ones in those cases over there. So I'm definitely excited to get them organized into this binder. Hopefully we'll get it all put away before Blake gets home so I can surprise him with all of these going to the recycling center. From all of this to this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Let me show you guys how beautiful. Everything is alphabetized. It all looks amazing. And I'm so happy. I had way too many movies. I'm so excited to like get rid of them all. And then these I'm gonna go ahead and organize now. Again, I will be getting rid of these over time, I guess is the right word, but I'm keeping them for now. So I have them to watch until they wear out, and then I'll be buying them on digital. And then these are going to Goodwill because I realized I had duplicates. And these are going back into my Christmas and Halloween boxes. So yeah. Alright, so I ended up going big and doing all the Wii games, PlayStation games too, and putting them all in that disc container. So these are all going to the recycling center tomorrow. And then I went ahead and put these VHS, like the thin ones, in here and in my other one that's down there as well. I still have a little bit of room, but these are kind of too big. So these are probably going back up in my closet where they came from. And then I'm going to be putting my books out on the entertainment center where the movies used to be. Alright everyone, here's the finished product. I think it looks so much better because before there were like multiple stacks, and now you can actually see all the titles and pick whichever movie you want to watch. And then over here, so I did what I said earlier, I put the DVD and the PlayStation up here, got rid of everything that was inside there. So now there's a ton more space. Like I said, these are all going to the recycling center. And then the last thing I have to do is to just figure out which of these books are going on the entertainment center. But oh my gosh, I've been doing this since 6:30. It's now almost 12:30, but it just feels so good, like to slowly see the apartment getting more organized, getting like looking nicer. So it just feels really good. And now I'm gonna take a shower and eat some dinner. All right, everyone, the time has come. There's the bin, and all the bags are stashed in here. Goodbye, old friends. It's time to move on. We just got to the park. She's gonna cry any second now. She always knows when we get here. Michael? Michael, see your friends? Yeah? I think she's spooked by the camera. Classic Nella. I bring her to the park and all she does is sniff. There she goes.